Alright you stupid lil she I mean students it's time to do the math.
Haha JK it is Tim way to do some nonsense I see a shooter J2 inside the back there of summer school.
Gosh your shit isn't even funny like go kill yourself I mean somalols who killed my dada in 1993.
Oy vey time to be opposite sex man.
School is not cool I Jetta time to shoot it because I'm so bored.
Hey I have finally found it. You what is dad singing?
Joey, you will stay after my class for questionsing.
No way cause I say Allah, Akbar lala lala lol. You're a real insensitive, you know.
What the fuck Josh you recorded 47 minutes of, you scratching your balls. I only have 2 hours of Bandicam, top, left.
Holy G, Zeus Kreese James I's gonna get hit.
Allah, Akbar, oi.
Gee, I wonder why expired corns videos always end with Fallout. It is because, Commandant Conker is killed it, dead by a you can't spell dead without a. Go back to Somalol you far kingdomish, UNVA start a sentence with it as Bree Corporation. I guess you can say.
This is, the J2 I was questioned yes if I am jihad. Anyway Command and Conquer is die. Yet people still play Battlefield 1. RIP Westwood 2003.
Holla lola, you have no friends and you loved series is kill rip and nonsense, just body.
Where the hood, it's not in New Monaco lol.
It's Allahu Akbar I mean all over, but the cry plays amnesia is there.
What kinda shit, Jet dream ept?